Hi, this is Francis from Easel. Today we're going to be walking through another app in the Easel app library. This one is called the Interlocker. And essentially what this allows us to do is take a carved shape. I'm going to adjust my material things here really quick. Take a carved shape and basically select it and then use the Interlocker app to duplicate it and create a slot down the middle of one and a slot down the middle of the other so that they can interlock together at a 90-degree angle to create a sort of more three-dimensional kind of look. And we'll kind of jump into that really quick. So I've got my object here. I am going to go to Apps, scroll down to the Interlocker app. When I click on that, it's going to basically show me what it's going to generate. And it's two objects. They're both the same object, but they have slots in them so that when I bring them together, I can slot them in next to each other. And there's a couple of things to know here. The first one is you want your notch size to be the same thickness as your material so that it's going to fit. And then your bit size is really whatever you want it to be. In this case, I'm using a 0.125 bit or an 1/8 inch bit on my project. So I'm going to make it that. And essentially then I'll import it and we can see if I bring it over here, we can see what's going to be carved, and it's going to be two objects, one with a notch at the top, one with a notch at the bottom. So then I can slide them and slot them together to fit them together. And then I'll have two-dimensional objects 90 degrees from each other that basically create, if you're looking at it from top down, an X, but would be like a freestanding object or a more three-dimensional object. And this is really great for things like decorations, stuff like that. And that's the Interlocker tool. Have a wonderful day.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.